Welcome back. It's time for sports.
President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, is applauding the JFF and its partners on the move to bid for the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup. Samuda calls it a visionary move that will give Jamaica more capital and brand value.
Excellent, excellent. You know, it may not be a haul in strict football terms, but I tell you, for Jamaica, its bid with the USA, Costa Rica, and Mexico to host games of the Women's World Cup is a quadruple shot of class. This is a screamer that Jamaica has always wanted to score to complement our admirable successes that our women and the female program have earned and that our men have achieved.
If selected, the 2031 tournament in the CONCACAF region would be the largest Women's World Cup in history, welcoming an estimated 4.5 million fans across venues in all 4 host nations. The official bid, book, and related documentation will be submitted to FIFA next month. West Indies spinner Akeal Hosein believes an improved batting performance will get them over the line with the third and final ODI of the series against Bangladesh set to bowl off on Thursday morning. Speaking at the post-match press conference, Hosein says that there should be a balanced scoring in the final matchup.
I think we need to show a lot more batsmanship, especially from the maybe top half. You know, it's quite a difficult job to ask the lower order to hang in against, you know, some good spinners, and obviously it's a fairly used ball as well. So I think we need to learn from this game. We looked like we had it covered from early on, and we just, you know, took it for granted and allowed them to get back in the game. So that's one wrong that we have to fix, and I think once we do that, we can set up the game. Hopefully we can win that third one easier.
Hosein also believes the Super Over victory on Tuesday should be used as motivation by the Caribbean men to win the series on Thursday.
These wins do a lot for the team. You know, it brings them together. It makes everyone believe. And at the end of the day, a win is a win. And I think that these wins that you scrape and fight as a unit to get over the line, it can only do wonders for the team, and hopefully it do just that in the last game for us.
The third and final ODI between the Windies and Bangladesh bowls off at 2:30 a.m. Jamaica time. And finally, at the Alfred Sangster Auditorium on Tuesday night, the Utah Knights bounced back from their first game loss to GC Foster with an emphatic 90-69 win over the UA Pelicans. They were led by Derjon Royal with 38 points and 10 rebounds, assisted by Kevon Gill, 19 points. Joel Ricketts scored 25 for UA. GC Foster continued with their winning ways with a 98-43 win over Monique College in Monique. Led by a game-high 18 points by LaShane Wilson, easily brushed aside Monique. The competition continues on Thursday with Mico College versus Caribbean Maritime University at Mico at 6:30 p.m. and Monique College versus XED at Monique at 3:30 p.m. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.